Hi there, very good evening. This is Leena, founder of Healings from Within. And as you all know, I'm into multiple types of healing and I've done various kind of course, but today we are not here to discuss anything regarding the other healings what I'm already into. Today we are here to discuss regarding tarot. So, firstly, I would definitely want to clear this misconception about tarot. What people think, like in 1708, people used to make tarot look so scary, so damn scary. They used to, it's an image of a tarot. There is a lady, she has got a wand, she's got big nails, and there is a globe, and there's a smoke coming out, and then that lady predicts the answer. So that made it look like as if it has got to do something with magic, black magic, smoke, you know, devils or angels. I don't know what not people think about it. So let me tell you, this was created that time because that was the only bread and butter what they were living on. So they didn't wanted others to know to others to try doing it because others used to get so scared, oh my god, nobody can do it. So they made it look very complicated and they made it look like only they can do it. So, this is clear. Tarot is definitely nothing to do with magic or black magic. What we do is we remove the card, we read the card, and we tell you what is the answer. Had I had to, tell you whenever I've come live, I've given you a yes and no question. We've had so many sessions. Like by now, you all know what it is, tarot, and what type of answers I give. So, had I had to be that, diplomatic, so I would have always said yes to all your answers, but I didn't do that. Why? Is only because I want to be very genuine to you. If your card is yes, I'll tell you yes. If your card is no, I'll tell you no. Because any which ways, I don't want to fool people. I don't want to please you all for the sake of it. Had I had to do it, I would have done it long time back, but I don't want to do it and I will never do it. I will never want to please you all and to make you happy for reason which doesn't suit you. If you've come to me to ask me a question and if the card is saying no, I will tell you no. I will definitely not try to manipulate on the card and tell you that no, this is right. You can do this. No. So this is clear. Now, what is this tarot membership all about? This is something very important which I would like to clear things. Now, this tarot membership, why we've kept? Small example. It's not going to get boring. You're going to enjoy it. A very small example. When you go to a buffet, what happens? You have so many things and you have so many things to eat. You've got 10 types of dessert. Everything is there and you want to try everything. Buffet hai bhai, khana hai. Okay, done. What happens when you go for an a la carte? You will select, you will see what you want and you'll order it. And when the food comes, you're going to eat it because you've ordered something what you really wanted to eat. Right, you got it absolutely right. This is what is going to happen with me. What you are going to get is an a la carte reading with me. A la carte reading means I'm not saying I'm going to serve you food, but a simple example what I'm trying to tell you. Like you all are going to ask me questions what you want to ask me. I am going to give you answer what is connected to your question. I'll be reading card and I'll be telling you the answer, right? So this is basically is going to be a difference between a member and a non-members. So when you're a non-member, you had a buffet where you had various kind of things and you were asking me 10 different questions. You all were confusing yourself and you all were confusing me also. That, you had said me this, you had said me that, so no. Now what will happen, like if you want to become a member, if you want to get an answer of what you really want, you have to be a member. Pay 501, it's not a big amount. In this 501, what you get? In this 501, you become a member with me. You only become a member for a lifetime. Lifelong, whatever offers I have. I'll be having one offer for sure every month. Definitely free offer for all my members, that is my assurance. So I'll be going live once a month. We will decide on date and time. We will consult. I always have a polling. I always do what you all want me to do. That's the only reason why I say yes and no, and I really want you all to tell me what you want. That's the reason I'm putting that voting bar. I'm putting yes and no. I'm asking you the question. So it becomes so much easier for me to, reciprocate with each other. Then, like when I say the answer, sometimes it may resonate with you and sometimes it may not. Right? So basically, you have to be very, you have to follow the steps. Once you become a member, you come into my tarot community where we are interacting, we know each other, we are talking to each other, we are having live sessions, we are discussing so many things. So in this 501, what you get? You get a membership lifelong where all my offers are free. Second, what you get is you get a 5 minutes live session with me, one on one basis. One on one means as I'm talking now, I'll be talking to every one of you all personally on a video chat, and first 30 seconds you're going to tell me about yourself, who you are. Next 30 seconds you're going to tell me your issue. Next 3 minutes, I am going to be reading your cards, understanding your card, right? So we complete 4 minutes. Last 1 minute, I am going to tell you the remedy, and we are going to discuss on that 1 minute what is going to happen. So that is done. I think that is very well explained, right? So that is done. What you get, that is only one time you get it. Let me repeat it. This membership gives you one such kind of an opportunity where you can talk to me live, okay, personal level. Live, so we are going to go many times, you are going to ask me many questions, but I will still again tell you all that you all just post in my questions, and then I go to it, becomes so much easier. Or else I have to literally, peep into my iPad, have to see the question and then have to answer. So it becomes such a lengthy. I think it will have to be little systematic now. Once you become a tarot community, it becomes so much easier. We are talking to each other, we know each other, we are talking something what we really want to discuss. Right? So this is all tarot membership is all about. You enroll with 501. You get one live session of 5 minutes, only one live session. Rest all the offers, whatever I'm throwing as a free offer, goes to the members only. The non-members are not going to get any kind of offer. I am not going to answer to a non-member because it becomes very difficult. Then I'm not doing justice to the community who has paid and who has become a member and who are asked, who genuinely want to know the answer. So this is just for your convenience, and it becomes easier for me also that we are talking to each other and we know each other. When there are hundreds of people, it becomes difficult for me also because I'm a human. I can't do everything at a time. Okay, so I think I have made myself aptly clear what is this membership and what you get and what you don't get. So only to become a member, this offer is only till 15th August. If you all want to register, you're most welcome. You can do online payment, you can do any kind of payment. The reason for me to be is to be all like very straightforward. It's just that so that you know what is this. I don't have to, because every time I post something I get 10 questions, how, when. So I thought let me go live and explain you everything. Okay, thank you.